Good morning. As you can see, we're in a lot smaller boat today. Gonna try for anything that wants to bite. Got some small rods. We just got some bait, some little bonitos, and we're slow trolling them. See if there's some rooster fish in the area. Did good yesterday. But whatever we get our hands on is good. Stick with us, stay tuned. Hopefully we have a great day. Phew. Hooked up. It's been about 5 minutes. Big bait, big fish. Let's see what's up. 5 minutes of fishing and we're hooked up. Probably a nice rooster. I'm not sure, but holy cow, 5 minutes of fishing. Big old bait. Hopefully we get a nice big rooster. Oh yes, every morning should start. Nice big fish, hooked up on little tackle, the Macaira, favorite reel. Holy shit, that's how it should be every day. We came and trolled some little squids and got some small bonito as bait, and it took us literally 5 minutes to be hooked up, and it's big. I can't lift it. Got 40-pound leader, so I'm gonna work it nice and easy.
Le venían atrás, güey, a este latillo. Cuando aquí lo acerqué, vi el abolladón.
Unfortunately, lots of boats are coming. We didn't put any picture on Facebook or nothing, but they found us. ¡Es un mendigo toro!
¿Sí? No. Ya no te creo.
Que sea un mendigo gallo bueno. Es un pargón, güey. No mames.
¿No tenemos...
¿Gancho? ¿Traes gancho, güey? No, es un coconaco récord mundial, güey.
¿Cómo lo vas a subir?
En la galla era.
Espera, déjame, pongo guante en panza, güey. Ahí te va un trapo. Ahí te va un trapo.
Agarra la caña.
No mames, güey.
Es el coconaco más grande que he visto, güey.
No lo presiones tanto nomás, pues viene de la... Te pasaste de...
Aguas. No me entró la mano, güey.
No. ¡Te pasaste de verga!
Look at the size of that Mexican bird snapper.
Verga. Yo dije, no va a traer.
I've never seen a Mexican bird snapper that big. Holy. That's how you do your fishing day in 5 minutes.
Nice.
Ay, no mames, güey.
No mames, nunca había tocado ver uno así de grande, ¿eh? Chingón, Jimmy. Y se le fue a grandote.
Okay, so we're gonna get back at it, try to get some more bait. I'll show you guys what we're using. We're using a rapala, and we tie a little squid in the back. That's simple. And we get some little bonitas. There's a bunch of them all over here. And we came here to target rooster, which we see they're all over the place. Hopefully we get one for you guys later. But we caught a nice, well, my biggest Mexican bird snapper. So the day is done for me. Everything else is bonus.
Ahí está.
No mames.
Ahí está.
No mames.
Sí.
Okay, we just hooked up another fish. Miguel's turn. Hooked up. There we go. Me hablas, ¿eh? Si quieres que saque la mía o cualquier cosa.
Aquí, cortita. Pero se va.
Hell yeah, on another bonito. In the small
ya
boat,
muy
we're having
asustada desde hace
a
rato.
heck of a morning. Phew. Nice little tackle. Look at that.
Muy bien. Mira el gallito. Es un gallito.
See, güey?
Sí. Bueno.
Rooster fish. After that big snapper, getting a rooster. Heck of a morning. There we go. That's exactly what we came out here for. Getting our own bait and getting some nice rooster. Miguel is getting some nice runs.
Una fotito y para atrás.
So the snapper was a surprise, but the big rooster is what we came out here for. I was not sure if they were going to move. I caught them yesterday. Not sure if they were going to move. Look at that. Hell yeah. Nothing better than plans getting reels. So like I was saying, I caught them yesterday. Was not sure if they were going to be here today. We got here and the bait was still here, and soon enough hooked that big snapper and then a nice rooster fish, giving him a great fight. Fácil para... Bueno,
Yo lo agarro, señor.
ya está, jefe.
Agarra ahí.
Sí. Le bajé el freno un poquito. Ah, está buenísimo, güey. Big rooster, my friends. Giant rooster for Miguel.
Ay, verga, la agarré la galla.
Easy, easy. Nice and easy. Está bien pegado.
Ay,
La gallita,
No,
la
no, no,
gallita,
no, no.
la gallita. Agárralo, agárralo.
ay, se va a ir.
No. Con calma, jefe. Despacito. Baby! There we go, buddy! There we go, buddy!
¡A
Woohoo! Big rooster, look at that. Look at that. Hell yes. Exactly what we came out here for. Woo! Big rooster. There he goes.
Ahí agarró.
There he goes. Finally
Yeah.
turned around. Phew! Big old rooster. The release was a little hard, but he's gone. We clearly saw him turn and he's gone. Day is done for us. Big snapper, big rooster. Let's see what more we can get here. Phew! ¿Quieres darme tu caña? ¿Qué pasó? Yeah, buddy! Look at that. Another big one. Let's say medium size. Great fight on the light gear. Congratulations. Ok, hay que liberar a ese gallo, pero me jaló algo, Le sacó un chingo de línea.
¿Ya lo te has pegado? ¿O no? Sí, 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 sí.
Yes! Yes!
Ahí va a brincar, va a brincar.
Hey. Yes, yes! We still have that rooster in the boat. And I hooked up also on the light gear. Woo!
Vamos, vamos, Jimmy.
All right. Like I told you, look at that. How fun is that? Look at that. 20
Eso es
pounds.
todo, Jimmy. Casi te quita toda la ya la llevaba él a gusto.
Sí, güey.
¿Trae circular?
No.
¿No? Vamos. Ahí viene, ahí viene, ahí viene.
Oh, look at him. Woo,
Oh.
look at that, look at that. Ew.
20 libritas. Bien trabajado, ¿cómo
Ahí
no?
viene por aquí, ¡vámonos!
Ay, güey. Eso es todo, Jimmy.
Míralo, está bueno, no mames, güey.
Sí, pues. Ahí viene, ahí viene. Aguas.
That beast. Woo.
Sácalo. Vamos, Jimmy. Vamos. ¡Eso!
Yeah, buddy. Woo. Rooster. On the light tackle, as I told you.
Ya agarró, ya agarró, ya agarró.
Woo. Go,
Ahí va.
buddy, go, go,
Ahí
go,
va, ahí va, ahí
buddy,
va, ahí
go,
va, ahí va, ahí va. Goodbye.
Woo, my first rooster of today. He's going down. I can still see him. We shook him a little, but what a beautiful fight. Super light. Mission accomplished. We'll keep going for a little bit, but we're stoked on today. I'm very sorry for the dirty camera, but lots of action. Not much we can do. All right, it's getting late, midday. There's lots of boats all around us. It's getting slower and very hot. So that will be it for today. We're very happy about it. 3 rooster, giant snappers, and we saw the rooster feed a couple times, which is always amazing. Had a great time. This guy also.
Nos vemos.
See you soon.